Ever wonder why some YouTubers make millions while others claim they can't even afford 10-piece chicken nugget?
I don't have enough money for chicken nugget.
The secret lies in the niche. In today's video, we're diving into how different niches can make different amounts of money on YouTube. Whether you're thinking of starting your own channel or just curious about the behind the scenes of YouTube earnings, stick around and you'll want to hear this. Let's first start with how YouTube monetization works. First things first, let's go over the different ways on how YouTubers actually make their money. Most creators earn through 4 different ways. Ad revenue. You get paid when you run ads on your videos. This depends on your CPM, or how much advertisers want to pay you per 1,000 views, and for most creators, this is the main way. Number 2, sponsorships. Brands pay to feature their products in your content. This could be a review of a product or reading out one of their ads in your video. Number 3, merch sales and affiliate. Selling your own products like t-shirts with the channel logo or earning commissions from affiliate links. Or market merch for my fellow VTubers. For example, some food content creators share links to their equipment that they used. Buy the linked spoon, they get a cut. And lastly, memberships and super chats. Direct support from the fans. These memberships are on a person's channel and can offer many things like early access to videos or access to exclusive content. Super chats are sent during live streams as a tip and highlight a specific message from the sender. However, for ad revenue in particular, your niche plays a massive role in how you can earn. A niche is a specific area of interest. So let's break down the different ones from lowest to highest earning. Starting off with lower earning niche. Some niche naturally have lower CPM, but don't let this discourage you. Your passion can still lead to big opportunities. Number 1, entertainment and comedy. Memes, skits, and reaction videos are crowd pleasers, but CPMs are often under $5. This audience isn't as targeted, which makes advertisers a little hesitant to spend big on their advertising revenue. Number 2, DIY and crafts. While creative and engaging, DIY channels have CPMs in the $3 to $8 range. However, these creators often thrive on sponsorships from craft brands or affiliate links. Number 3, fitness. Workout videos and health tips can attract a broad audience, but often see CPMs of $3 to $8. Still, fitness creators can make a significant portion of their income from online courses or product partnerships. Think of meal kits or how to exercise programs. Next up, we have the moderate earning niches. Now, let's talk about niches that do well, but might not hit the top. Number 1, gaming. Gaming is huge on YouTube, with some of the biggest creators starting out there. While it's super popular, the CPM is a bit moderate, around $4 to $12, and this is because the audience skews a bit younger and advertisers are a little pickier. A child is less likely to have money to spend on what's being advertised to them, after all. Number 2, lifestyle and vlogs. This is a broad category covering everything from routines to travel diaries. CPMs here can range from $5 to $15, but creators do make up for it with sponsorships and merch. More targeted lifestyle videos like traveling or living in Japan are an example of something a bit more niche within the niche. Plus, if anyone's thinking of traveling, well, that means they already have some money they'd like to spend anyways. 3, beauty and fashion. Makeup tutorials and clothing hauls are pretty much always relevant. While CPM can be around $5 to $10, the real money is in sponsorships from affiliate links and brands. This type of content is directly linked to product placement very often, and advertisers will sponsor because, well, they always want in on your content focused on their product. And lastly, the high earning niches. Finally, we're ending with the heavy hitters. These are niches that have the potential to rake in some serious cash. Starting off, number 1, we have tech and gadgets. From unboxing the latest iPhone to reviewing software, tech channels are another potential goldmine. Companies in the space love partnering with creators to show their products. You can expect CPM about $8 to $20. Number 2, education. Teaching coding or life skills, educational content tends to attract loyal viewers, and advertisers targeting self-improvement or professional growth audience pay well. CPMs around here from $10 to $25. And lastly, the biggest of all, finance and business. If you've seen channels about investing, real estate, or how to make money online, you've hit the jackpot of CPMs. Advertisers in this space are willing to pay top dollar because their target audience is already ready to spend and spend big. CPMs in this niche can go as high from $20 to $50. But lastly, there are some additional factors impacting your niche. Here's the twist. Your niche is important, but other factors also play a big role, so don't expect the only way to make it is to become a finance bro. First factor that impacts your niche is the audience location. Viewers in countries like the US, Canada, and Europe tend to generate higher ad revenue. This is because of higher likelihood of spendable income and a strong currency. Another factor is engagement. More likes, comments, and shares can boost your video's performance, attracting better ads. A $20 CPM is great, don't get me wrong, but if you only get 1K views, that's not as good as 100K on a $3 CPM. And lastly, video length. Longer videos, over 8 minutes, can include multiple ads, increasing your overall revenue. All videos with ads enabled have pre-roll ads, but if your video is over 8 minutes long, YouTube will give you the opportunity to place mid-roll ads. So to wrap it up, let's talk about my final thoughts on this whole niche situation. How do you choose the right niche? Well, just start with what you love and consider the earning potential as just a bonus. Remember, success takes time and consistency, regardless of your niche. Plus, if you want to be consistent, pick something you love, and that'll make for a greater content creation experience. If you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who's thinking about starting their own YouTube channel. And let me know in the comments, what niche are you most interested in? Or what have you already started? Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!